Have you ever stopped to think about how you pay for things? From fumbling for exact change to swiping a plastic card, payment methods have evolved significantly over time. But there's a revolutionary shift happening right now, one that promises unparalleled convenience and security: digital wallets. And in this exciting landscape, Patriot Bank is stepping up, making it easier than ever for their customers to embrace this future of finance. But why? Why are established financial institutions like Patriot Bank putting so much effort into enabling digital wallet payments? Is it simply to keep up with the latest tech trends, or is there something deeper, something fundamentally transformative about this shift? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of digital wallets and explore the compelling reasons behind Patriot Bank's strategic embrace of this technology. For years, our physical wallets have been a constant companion, overflowing with cash, debit cards, credit cards, loyalty cards, and perhaps a few forgotten receipts. It's a bulky, often inconvenient system. Then came the internet, and with it, online shopping, which introduced us to the concept of storing our card details online for faster checkout. But the true game changer has arrived with the smartphone, a device that has become an extension of ourselves, capable of so much more than just communication. This ubiquitous device is now transforming how we pay. Digital wallets, sometimes referred to as mobile wallets, are essentially virtual versions of your physical wallet stored securely on your smartphone, smartwatch, or other compatible device. They allow you to store your debit and credit card information, loyalty programs, and even tickets, all in one easily accessible place. When you want to make a purchase, instead of pulling out a card, you simply tap or wave your device at a compatible payment terminal. The technology behind this seamless interaction is primarily near-field communication, or NFC. NFC enables short-range, wireless communication between your device and the payment terminal. When you tap your phone, encrypted payment data is transmitted, and the transaction is completed in seconds. Some digital wallets also support magnetic secure transmission, or MST, which mimics the magnetic stripe of a traditional card, allowing payments at older terminals. And of course, QR codes are another method gaining traction, especially in peer-to-peer payments. Patriot Bank, recognizing the undeniable shift in consumer behavior and the inherent advantages of digital payments, has made a concerted effort to integrate its services with popular digital wallet platforms. This means if you're a Patriot Bank customer, you can easily link your Patriot Bank debit card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This isn't just about offering a new feature, it's about providing a fundamentally improved banking and spending experience. So, let's break down the why. Why is Patriot Bank investing in this? First and foremost, it's about convenience and speed. Imagine you're at the grocery store, arms full, and you realize you left your wallet in the car. With a digital wallet enabled by Patriot Bank, your phone is all you need. A quick tap, and you're done. No more fumbling for cash, no more searching for the right card, no more signing receipts. This frictionless experience dramatically speeds up checkout times, benefiting both the customer and the merchant. For busy individuals, this saved time, however small each instance, adds up significantly throughout the day. It's about streamlining daily life, making financial interactions almost invisible in their efficiency. Beyond the immediate transaction, digital wallets also offer a level of organization that physical wallets simply cannot. Think about how many loyalty cards you carry. With a digital wallet, these can be stored digitally, automatically applying discounts or earning points when you make a purchase. Patriot Bank understands that modern life is about efficiency, and digital wallets are a key enabler of that efficiency. Secondly, and perhaps most crucially, is enhanced security. This might seem counterintuitive to some. My card details on my phone? Isn't that riskier? The reality is quite the opposite. Digital wallets are often more secure than traditional card payments. When you use your Patriot Bank debit card through a digital wallet, your actual card number is not transmitted to the merchant. Instead, a unique, encrypted token is generated for each transaction. This process, known as tokenization, means that even if a merchant's system were breached, your actual card details would remain safe. Furthermore, digital wallets leverage the advanced security features of your smartphone. This includes biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition, and PINs. This multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, making it incredibly difficult for unauthorized users to access your payment information, even if your phone is lost or stolen. Patriot Bank is essentially enhancing the security of your transactions by integrating with these robust platforms. They're adding a digital fortress around your financial data. Compare this to a stolen physical wallet, where your card number, name, and often signature are directly exposed. Thirdly, digital wallets provide valuable customer data and insights for banks. While individual transaction details remain private, the aggregated data from digital wallet usage can help Patriot Bank understand broader customer spending patterns and preferences. This allows them to tailor financial products and services more effectively, offer personalized promotions, and improve their overall customer experience. It's a win-win. Customers get more relevant offerings, and Patriot Bank gains insights to serve its community better. This data isn't about spying on your every purchase, it's about identifying trends and optimizing services on a larger scale. Fourth, competitive advantage and staying relevant. The banking landscape is constantly evolving. Fintech companies and challenger banks are emerging with innovative, tech-driven solutions. To remain competitive and attract new generations of customers, traditional banks like Patriot Bank must embrace these technological advancements. By enabling digital wallet payments, Patriot Bank demonstrates its commitment to innovation and customer centricity. It sends a clear message: we understand your needs, and we're here to provide you with the most modern and convenient banking experience possible. In an increasingly digital world, a bank that doesn't offer these fundamental digital services risks being seen as outdated. Patriot Bank is proactively ensuring its place in the future of finance. Fifth, digital wallets are a cornerstone of the broader digital transformation in banking. This isn't just about payments, it's about a holistic shift towards a more connected and streamlined financial ecosystem. Patriot Bank's investment in digital wallets is part of a larger strategy to provide comprehensive online and mobile banking services, including mobile check deposits, online bill pay, and personalized financial management tools. The digital wallet acts as a gateway to this integrated digital experience, making banking more accessible and intuitive for their customers. It's about moving away from paper and physical interactions to a seamlessly integrated digital platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.